Sung tini TSF nengge sung press meet asam mana pemasi. Ini ang sakfam amal jamatia General Secretary Tipra Federation. Tiyan laga tunggu ane President Mr. Samrat. Joint Secretary Mr. Renu. Town and College Committee ni Vice President Mr. Manish. Sung tini press meet kami pemasi. Talsa sekang sung TSF nengge sung 12-hour statewide sung strike up. Public wrongly support Hamzakma, a various student organization, social organization is support by. Sin is a movement. 12 hours ibago is successful. Gon ibago is sanggon. Sini Hamzakma te khaka Hamzakma. Te media ronogo sung hambaya fula. Tane humale nirok sung no coverage khaye sini is a movement no. Hasse kan angge nirok phunman ibago nirok na hambay. Jung sini strike sung successful na kanai jung also nagap government of state Tripura borok taksa jora suno respond saroya jung main ismi jini movement Roman student tu sung sengjage family takla jung sini division wise sini railing jung teboni boroke sung governor no sung memorandum yafal haifan government ro sini khorang khanain bagai sung banung khaje 12-hour strike sung call thageni talsa saka 28 August government ro almost thai sini movement sini khorang no khanayang ke sung buskang salo tebe sini movement kota no khanai nei sung sina lajak tongo sung government no bar appeal khai haifan borok taksu jora khanai oro kabangma student organization social organization borok sono support khai haifan government takun sing omo sini native indigenous people ni sini movement ni. This is not only a movement of native indigenous people of the state. I will request our brother of the Bengali community brothers and sisters to participate even in this movement. You all know the importance of language because you all have experiences. We have seen in the past the Basa Andalon. Why this movement took place? Because we all love our language, we all respect our language. So I appeal our Bengali brothers and sisters also to participate at this movement. You all also have sacrificed and know the grievances of the movement during the time of Basa Andalan. So we the native indigenous people also, to preserve our language, we are fighting for our rights for more than 50 years. So I want you all also to support it. I would like to appeal the government of Tipra and government of India to look into this matter. Why are we neglected? Why are our demand neglected? We question the government of India and government of Tipra. Boni bagai sing appeal khai government no. Sini je demand no. Seriously seri nai gani bagai. Sing sing tongla sing talsa sekang sini movement sing 12-hour strike simi ta pakha. Bus kang salo sing kha khai go. Sini tei coba kota ngai nai. And we have seen the national party are not in favor of this demand. The NSUI have supported us. We have seen the removal of the state president from the Congress party, the student wings NSUI. I don't understand what are the national party want to pass the message to the native indigenous people of the state. Are they not in favor of the native indigenous people of the state in Tripura or Northeast state? For all this reason, we appeal and request the government of Tipra and government of India to look into this matter very seriously. If not, we are ready to go for greater movement again. Secondly, Sungnuka Salkisa Sakang Tipra Motha Boro 30 of September 12 hours sebagai strike tak money. Sung TSF keduk mas hal rongoi jeng. Sung the regional party ni support aman sung samung khai fight for the greater interest of the people. Boni bagai sung TSF khanani strike 12 hours sebagai je Tipra Motha bai ringjaman no sung amano support khai hanai sung tini saklaikha. Boni bagai sung Tipra hasini lokrono bukoinai all movement no success khagani bagai nirone participate nirone hamza ma nirone support nang. Boni bagai sung omane appeal khainai as we are very peace loving people sung peacefully ne sin movement no sung carry on ma khainai. Boni bagai sung TSF sung khrani je 12 hour strike Tipra Motha bai ringjaman no sung support khai.
Support kaya physically na moral.
Si sung to sung je mansa sung sini phan bangsa sung support khai sung om dai ke sung decision.
Means speaking logo dong no nubi da man ma support dia tu khai dong na.
Nai di tabok picketing on nugai janu ge amo to khanan nuglai sinai bahayung no bani bagai haikono sung sini full support sung khanan strike no sung support khai.